What's up, YouTube? It's your boy T Hoop, and I'm back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Galaxy Tab S7. Now, if you remember my channel, you know I usually do reviews and videos on cell phones, and I thought, why not get a tablet? I usually do all my video editing and stuff on my phones, but decided, to get a tablet and do my editing on the tablet instead. So I was looking at the Tab S7 and the Tab S7 Plus and decided to go with the S7, the smaller version. So we're going to take a look at it, see what's in the box. I'm going to get it set up, and we're going to go over a little bit of things about the tablet. No, I don't like talking about specs, but because I'm really not that familiar with tablets, we'll talk about the specs. I have to make an exception. So let's go ahead and see what we get in the box. As you see here, got Tab S7. Let's go ahead and see what we got in here. If we open it. Okay. Nice presentation. Now, before I open this, do we have a charger or do we not? Let's see. Of course, this is a tablet, pull tab up here. Wow, this is a really thin tablet. This tablet is really thin. Set it to, look at there. Oh, I guess they're not, come on, stay up there, yo. This box is trolling me. Guess they haven't migrated over to the tablets yet and still giving us a charger. This is the S Pen. Kind of different than the S Pens in the Note. Not that heavy. Set that there. You got your charging brick. I don't know how many watts that is. Probably a 25-watt charger. It looks smaller than that. Anyway, it does say adaptive fast charging. Yeah, I'll probably use my 25-watt charger to fill that. What this is, all the books and stuff, ain't nothing in there. And that's about it. The cord. Let's go ahead and put this to the side. This is the little flimsy USB-C to USB-A, or USB-A to USB-C charging cord there. Let's get over to the nitty-gritty. See what we got going on here. If I can open it up. Let's see. This tablet is really light, y'all, but it's beautiful. Nice build. Looks like all metal, aluminum. Got aluminum brushed sides there. Speakers. Got 4 stereo speakers. Got your USB-C port, charging port there. Got cameras on the back. I do believe the cameras are 13 megapixel and a 5 megapixel ultra wide camera with your LED flash. And this part here is where you charge your S Pen, which it has to be charged to use. And it is magnetic. That's how you charge it. That's how you store it. Let's look on the other side here. Got your slot there for your expandable micro SD card, if this will focus. Right there. Got your volume up and down button there. And you have your power button here that also doubles as a fingerprint sensor. Now on the S7 Plus, the fingerprint sensor is actually built into the screen. Like I said, stereo speakers, HDR10 Plus for your movies and your videos. The cameras do record in 4K video at 30 frames per second. Although I got this tablet to basically run my YouTube channel for now. Like I said, to edit my videos and stuff like that. So I'm not going to be that dude that pulling out a big tablet to take photos. But when I do my review on it, I will take some sample photos for you so you can see how the cameras look. Got your Samsung brand in there, and sound by AKG. So the speakers are tuned by AKG. You have your 3 connectors here for your accessory ports. I did pick up the keyboard and the keyboard, the book cover keyboard accessory for this. So let's go ahead and turn it on. I'm gonna turn it on and get it set up. If we got juice, there we go. Turn it on, get it set up, and I'll be back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I got it all set up, and I mean, it was very familiar. Basically, it's just like setting up a regular Android device, phone, and it was very familiar to me, coming from my phones, the S21 Ultra that I have in my Note. I mean, to me, it's a giant, watered down, very watered down Note phone, Note 20, especially with the S Pen. And just to show you, what I meant with charging the S Pen, if you put it here, let's see. You got to get it on there right. I'm trying to do this behind the camera, so there we go. And if you will see there, okay, it went away before I can show you. Let's try it again. And it brought that up, but hold on. See right there? That's the charging indicator on the pen, letting you know that your pen is charging. Like I said, it probably needs to charge, but I mean, it's basically using a big Note. The tablet seems to be fast, it's fluid, does have 120 hertz refresh rate. Like I said, this is a giant Note. 8,000 milliamp battery. Samsung DeX capability. Just basically you can cast this to your big screen TV. 865 plus Snapdragon processor, which is basically why it's fast. Let me see something. Let me go pull up a video on YouTube. Fast and fluid. Look at that 120 hertz. And to top that off, you can also use 120 hertz on the highest the highest screen resolution as well. Let's go check that out right quick. Where are we at? Display. So if you see there, I am on 120 hertz, but you don't have an option to change the resolution. So you're basically at the highest resolution using the adaptive refresh rate, which is good. You do have your dark mode, just like on your cell phones. But for video purposes, I'll just go ahead and leave it on light. Like I said, if you're familiar with the Samsung phones, this is basically, it's just a big, giant Samsung phone. Let me go back and to YouTube, go to one of my videos so you can see. Actually, let's see something here. Let me pull something up here. Stand by. Stand by. Show you some video and let you hear these amazing speakers. Make sure I got it turned up. I don't know why all this is my go-to, video, but I like this. I can feel the speakers vibrating. Let's see. But look at that picture, y'all. Again, this is an LCD Quad HD display. It's not AMOLED, but it is beautiful. Listen to those speakers. Not sure why it's not giving me full screen, but let me see something. Yeah, I don't know why it's not giving me full screen. I had to dig deep into it. But I know you heard those speakers. Absolutely amazing. The screen is beautiful. It don't have to be an OLED in order to get a beautiful picture. This is a beautiful LCD, 11-inch LCD display. Speakers sound amazing. The build quality is amazing. Let me show you the fingerprint sensor. Now, I did my thumb as well, but if I'm using this tablet, 9 times out of 10, you know, it's going to be like this first when I open it up. So I just use my thumb. I mean, I did my thumb, but my index finger. So if I pick it up like this, look at that. Look how quick that is. See that? I ain't even got to push. You don't have to push the power button. All you got to do is just touch it. It's accurate. Quick, accurate, fast. I love it. So this is what I am going to be editing my videos on. And so far, I like it. You know what? Let's take a quick snapshot of the camera. Like I said, I'm not going to be using this as a camera, but it has one. So let's see. You get your same, your single take photo, video. You get all your other options there like you do on the cell phone. But let's go ahead and take a quick snap of my man Groot so you can see what it looks like. Now like I said, you're not going to get that S21 Plus or Note 20, or you're not going to get no pictures like that. But for a tablet, it takes a pretty good picture. Look at that. But I still won't be that dude pulling out a tablet to take pictures. But hey, you never know. If you need it, don't have your phone, leave your phone, or for whatever reason you need to take a photo, this will get the job done. But little quick video, Tab S7. Stay tuned. Oh, you know what? I did get the accessory for it. Let's go ahead and... This is the keyboard cover. Let's go ahead and open it up and see how to get it on there. Okay. So here is the keyboard. And the way it connects on, let's see. Let's do this together. I haven't did it, but I'm going to assume just like that. See that? See how easy that was? It really just pulled itself to it. There you go. Let's see. I may have to, yeah, I probably got to set it up or something. But this is the keyboard for it. And let's see how this, let's see. Okay, it's connected. Oh, there you go. I ain't have to set nothing up. There you go. And it also comes with this. Let's see how we attach this. So let's close that. Oh, and it's a magnet. So it just magnetizes itself to the back. See there? just like that. And the bottom of it, how does it stand? Okay, this is the stand for it. And there you go. And you want to do your work. Boom. Now the S Pen, to store your S Pen, you just got to figure out where, be muscle memory to charge it. Let me see. I'm trying to do this behind the camera, y'all. So it's basically like that. And you just shut it. And it hides inside there, and it charges while it's storing. But there you go. Little short video on the Tab S7 with the keyboard and cover accessory. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that bell button so you'll be notified for more content. And I'll be back with my full review when I use it for a while. Stay safe, and as always, peace.